Hello friends, welcome to my channel Empower. So the question is, which of the following is true? So you can see here there are four options here. So actually this is a very easy question. You can solve it like this. So there is 3 root 3 plus root 7. We are taking square of it. According to formula of a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. We are getting here 3 plus 7 plus 2 into root 3 into root 7, and 3 plus 7 equal to 10, and this value is a positive value. So this is always greater than 10. This is the question. So the right option is first option. Sorry, the right option is third. The D option is the correct option. Fourth option is the correct option. Thank you.